What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another session of Jay's Do It Yourself Garage. Right now, we're going to be working on a 2017 Dodge Challenger SRT, the Trans Am version. Um, right now, we're about to lift this cap up that's covering up the struts. It's two little lift things. You pop them up, then you take that off. All right. You come on over here to this side. And you pop out all the little poppies that you see up here. There's a few of them up here. I think it's like 4 of them. Go ahead and pop all that up. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand on holding the camera. All right, let me put this camera down right quick. I'll be right back. All right, so then you pop this. I think it's a computer. You take that off the strut bar. And then after you do that, you take away these 2 screws right here. I think they are 13 millimeters. Yes, they're 13 millimeters. Go ahead and pop them out. Simple. Make sure you hold on to the screws. Come on over here to this other side. There's 2 screws over here. You go ahead and pop those out. 1, 2. All right. Now, after you do that, this thing should pull straight on out. It's a little mount on the bottom of it. Can't really see it, but yeah, these 2 right here. You go ahead and take these off the mount, and it should come right on out. All right, so now this is the Razor Edge Strut Tower Brace. This is what we're going to be putting onto this vehicle. Be careful because the paint will chip easy. You got to be careful with the paint. So you pop the covers over, the strut covers open, sorry. And then you'll see 3 bolts under there. All 3 bolts are 13 millimeters. Deep, 13 millimeters. Deep socket. Then you hit the other side. You do the same thing to the other side. You make sure everything is good up there. Make sure everything is even and you got everything going the right way. Then you try to aim for the 3 strut bolts that you just took off. You try to put them right in place with those. But at first, it'll be easier if you lay it underneath of the vent cover by the wiper motors. You do that first. Then you screw your nuts in. You secure the computer to the strut tower. All right, everything's good. Fit snugly in there like it's supposed to be. Now it's time to screw everything in place. Yep, fellas, it's this easy. It's just this easy. You do not have to remove no wiper motors. It'll go in just easily right under here. Grab your bolts, slide them bolts in. You hand tighten everything. Don't ever go after everything with an impact first. You hand tighten it down. That way you won't strip and tear up your nuts and your bolts. You do the same thing to the other side. Come on, come on. Get in there, get in there. Okay, it gave me a little struggle with it a little bit, but I got it. All right. Wait, where did this go? Oh shoot, I forgot to put that on the car. All right, I'm gonna show y'all where that go at in a minute. You go ahead and put the other your three strut screws on. All right, got everything nice and snug. Tighten everything up. Screw everything down, tighten it up. And this is how it looks once you got everything on there the right way. It's that easy. Don't forget to put these black poppers back in. Everything's fit uniformly, easy. Just push it in straight through the strut bar. If you got everything on right, everything should just line up just perfect for you. Just push it right on in, just like that. Then you want to do the same thing. See that hole? You will do the same thing to all four of them. All right. I forgot to show y'all about that little black piece that I found. It connects to your motor right there, which I had some light. There you go. It connects to your motor right there. It's not a big deal. I didn't have to take anything apart. Just slide it up on there, put them two screws in there. You good. You got it. Everything's tight over here. Make sure got the piece back on. Got your all your fasteners back up there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got the fasteners back on. And boom, that's it, y'all. Appreciate you watching.